Halo guys, welcome back with me play GTPS. Kali ini GW mau promote fresh private server yaitu Rain Pass. Dan seperti biasa ada free role di videonya nanti. Oke, biar nggak kelamaan langsung aja gas ke videonya.
Feeling good, every day and every night. Life is a journey full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprises on the corner, I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours, enter directly, open the doors. Dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no time to stop right now. We are alive, let's take advantage and take that dip. Walking on the street, feeling so free. Every moment is a gift you cannot see.